Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on Samsung devices. First, let's understand that Gemini is often integrated into the Google Assistant experience or available through specific apps. You'll need to ensure your Samsung phone or tablet meets the minimum software requirements, typically Android 10 or newer. We will cover both direct app installation and accessing Gemini through existing Google services. This guide aims to make the process straightforward for everyone. To begin, confirm your Samsung device is running Android version 10 or a more recent iteration. This is a crucial first step for accessing Gemini's advanced features. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for the Google app to ensure it is fully updated. Many Gemini functionalities are integrated directly into this core Google application. Keeping it current guarantees you have the newest capabilities and a smooth user experience. Once your Google app is updated, open it and look for the Gemini icon, often found near the search bar or within the assistant settings. Alternatively, you can often invoke Gemini's features directly through your existing Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google, open Gemini," or asking a complex query. This integration allows for a seamless transition, providing powerful AI assistance right at your fingertips on your Samsung device. After successfully accessing Gemini, take some time to explore its settings. You can customize preferences, manage your data, and adjust notification options for a more personalized experience. Experiment with different prompts to generate text, summarize information, or brainstorm ideas efficiently. Remember, Gemini is constantly evolving, so providing feedback through the app can help Google refine its capabilities and make it even more useful for all Samsung users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.